Is your ASUS Vivobook 17 overheating, or is the fan too loud? I'll show you how to safely replace or clean the fan step by step. But first, there's a hidden screw almost everyone misses. Trying to open the case without that screw can break your laptop. Turn the laptop upside down and remove all visible screws. Be careful, some screws are longer than others. If you mix them up, you can damage parts when putting it back together. Think all screws are out? Not quite. One more is hidden under a small plastic cover. Many people miss it and crack the case by forcing it open. Use tweezers or a small screwdriver to lift the cover, then remove the screw. Now the bottom case can finally be opened. Tilt the laptop slightly, it gives you better access. Slide a spudger into the gap between the top and bottom shell, then work your way slowly around the edges. You'll hear gentle clicks as the clips release. That's exactly what you want. Go slowly near the USB ports. The plastic there is thin and can snap easily. A little resistance is normal, just don't use force. Once the clips are free, lift the palm rest slightly. But stop, there are still ribbon cables attached. They're delicate, and pulling too hard can break the keyboard or touchpad. Flip up the tiny latch like a small door. The ribbon will slide out smoothly. Do the same with the touchpad cable. Now you can remove the palm rest completely. That was the most fragile step. If this guide already saved you stress, tap the like button. It helps others find this video too. Before moving on, disconnect the battery. It's secured with 3 screws. Remove them, then tilt the battery upward to cut the power. Once the power is cut, there's no risk of a short circuit. Need a replacement fan or the exact tools I'm using? You'll find all links in the description below. Now unplug the fan cable from the mainboard. Never pull on the wires, always on the connector itself. Then remove the 2 screws that hold the fan. Lift it out gently. You can replace it with a new one, or clean it with a toothbrush to remove dust and keep it from overheating. That's it. Reinstall everything in reverse order. Your Vivobook now runs cooler and quieter. For more repair and upgrade guides, check out the next video here.